Hi guys, today we talk about Red Magic 9S Pro versus ROG Phone 8 Pro. ZTE Nubia Red Magic 9S Pro launched on July 2024 with the price tag of $700. The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro launched on January 2024, the price tag of $1300. The dimensions 6.46 inch width, 3 inch thickness, 8.9 mm. The ROG Phone 8 Pro height 6.45 inch with 3 inch thickness, 8.9 mm. The weight of Red Magic 9S Pro 229 gram and the ROG Phone 8 Pro 225 gram, and the both device come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM cards. The display of these devices, Red Magic 9S Pro come with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The ROG Phone 8 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is same, not much difference, 6.8 inch and 6.78 inch. The resolution is 1080p and 1116 by 2480 pixels in both devices. The PP8 NST ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 388. The Red Magic 9S Pro come with 400. The refresh rate of Red Magic 9S Pro is 120Hz and the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 165Hz. The screen to body ratio ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 88.2% and the Red Magic 9S Pro come with 89.1% screen to body ratio. The ROG Phone 8 Pro come with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and the Red Magic 9S Pro come with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The Red Magic 9S Pro Plus come with 1600 nits peak of brightness and the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 2500 nits peak of brightness. The Red Magic 9S Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel depth sensor with LED flash HDR panorama, and it's record 8K 30fps video. The ROG Phone 8 Pro come with triple camera setup too. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and it says LED flash HDR panorama, and it record 8K 30fps video. The selfie camera of these devices, the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 1080p 60fps video record. The Red Magic 9S Pro come with 16 megapixel selfie camera under display, and it's record 1080p 60fps video with selfie camera. The platform, the Xiaomi ROG Phone 8 Pro come with octa-core Cortex X4 3.3 GHz CPU. The Red Magic 9S Pro come with octa-core Cortex X4 with 3.4 GHz CPU. The chipset is same, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm, and GPU. ROG Phone 8 Pro come with Adreno 750 GPU and the Red Magic 9S Pro come with Adreno 752 with 1 GHz. And the both mobile come with Android 14 operating system. The memory of these devices, the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 16 gigs and 24 gigs of RAM, and the Red Magic 9S Pro come with 12 gigs of RAM. And the internal storage, Red Magic 9S Pro come with 256 gigs and 512 gigs of internal storage. The ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. No SD card, no nano memory card support in these mobiles. The battery backup, the Red Magic 9S Pro come with 6500 mAh battery and the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 5500 mAh battery, and the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 65 watt fast wire charging. The Red Magic 9S Pro come with 80 watt fast wire charging. The ROG Phone 8 Pro support 15 watt wireless charging, and the Red Magic 9S Pro could not support wireless charging, and the both might support reverse charging. The both mobile come with 5G network support. The commons and the features, Red Magic 9S Pro come with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, built-in fan, Type-C 3.1, RGB setup, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0 and pressure sensitive zone. The ROG Phone 8 Pro come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC infrared port, Type-C 3.1, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0, IP68, dust and water resistant, gaming triggers and RGB backlights. The result of these devices, the Red Magic 9S Pro got 20 points and the ROG Phone 8 Pro got 22 points.